Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry I look a little crazy. I literally just woke up. It's like 7 a.m. on a Sunday, but I'm here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this awesome glass painting here, and I love it so much. It's for my computer. And again, it's Nezuko's demon form because you guys know I'm kind of obsessed with Nezuko right now. And this is actually going to go in my computer. Hopefully I don't break it. So it basically looks something like this. Sorry, there's just a lot of glare because it's glass. And when it turns on, it should have some pretty lights. So yeah, this is what it's going to look like, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and we can get started. So here I have my materials. This is just a frame from the dollar store. I also picked this up from Michael's. It was $10 on sale, but I did have rewards, so I actually got this for free. A lot of people were also recommending these Sharpie oil-based paint pens, and I got these. They're all different sizes, I think, from like thinnest to thickest. I also have a few brushes here that I might be using. This for my paint, also from the dollar store, and some water. So this was my first attempt, and it's not that bad, but if you see it really closely, I definitely did not put enough layers. I was using very cheap paint that I happened to find at Ross, so you know, I want to say that was the reason this came out so bad, but lesson learned. I bought better paint and hopefully it'll look a lot better than this. So here I have printed out the image that I want to use. I believe I have this in my Facebook page if you guys want to use this picture, but just go online and find whatever image you want to use. Make sure you flip it or mirror it, because we're gonna be tracing the glass on top, so then when you flip it over, you know, it's gonna be the right way. So make sure you flip your picture and then we can begin tracing. And to be safe, I have just a piece of tapes, and I'm gonna put them on the side to make sure that the pictures doesn't move, in case I like move it around or something. And use your markers and trace out the image. I think I'm going to start with my thinnest marker and do like the details in the insides first, and then work my way out. Maybe that'll be the easiest. And I think this one's an extra fine point pen, so we're just going to be using this one. Okay, so I wasn't liking how it was coming out. I should have recorded, but I realized that my image was too small and I wanted it bigger. I told myself I was going to do it bigger, and for some reason I printed and started drawing it the same size. So here I just reprinted my image a lot bigger. It pretty much fits the glass here now, like that. So I'm just going to start all over. And it is really easy to remove this. All you need is acetone. I tried using alcohol, but it dries and stays like really well. So acetone is going to be what you need to remove it. So I'm just gonna restart and trace everything again. Okay, just really quick, sorry if you're scared of blood, but yeah, just remember, if you're using real glass, glass is sharp, so be careful with the edges. I kind of just sliced my finger here, so yeah, just careful, guys. Okay, so I think I am done with my tracing. And here I kind of just sketched out the rest of the drawing because it kind of cut off on the top, so that's what this scribbling is, but this is what it looks like. And if we remove this, and this is what we should be left with. As you can see, I didn't do the flowers because those don't really have an outline. They're just kind of red and green, so I was going to add that later, but this is what it looks like so far. So I'm going to just start off with the little flowers that go on her chest and on her arm right here, and a little bit on her waist. So I am done painting and it's dried overnight, so I think it should be okay. I just have here a cloth with a little bit of Windex, and I'm going to clean around it. Be sure not to touch the paint because it will like dissolve it and smear it. But just try to clean around it because, I mean, I have a lot of fingerprints, so I'm going to clean it. So this was the first try. I kind of just did it, and you can see all the color is very see-through, not the best. And here's my second try. I feel like I'm getting better. And I actually didn't even notice that I didn't flip this one. So yeah, this is the correct one. So I did about 3 really thick layers, and with the light you could see it's not that see-through anymore. Not like the first one. And as you guys saw, I went little by little. This is actually the brush I used, and you can see how thin it is. But I found out that with this little tiny brush, I was able to get a lot of paint on it. So that gave me a really good first thick coat. So I just kept using this one. And then I did use this big one to fill in like the big areas and stuff. But I basically just used these 2 brushes. Since this is a finished product, you could put it in a frame. You could just leave it like this. Just be really careful if you do use real glass. To be safer, I would suggest maybe getting a sheet of acrylic instead of glass. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. This was very easy to do. It just takes a very long time because you basically have to watch paint dry. If you liked this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.